Here today. I'm Miranda Love, coming to you live in the art of attracting high ticket clients. And I'm an international business coach. And whenever I launched my coaching business, I used the strategies that I had been developing and figuring out in my other two online businesses for 10 years. I've been an online entrepreneur for 10 years. And so I was able to launch my international coaching business using LinkedIn and the help of a mentor. I was working with a mentor then 2 years ago to right out of the gate make $25,000 per month as a coach. And so the first year I pretty much did 25,000 per month just with one LinkedIn funnel. And that was awesome. And then I was able to I started working with a sales team in my second year. And so I'm going to tell the story about how of my first $50,000 month as an international coach. And so welcome. You're here live with us. Just if you're here live, just type live, type hi, let me know that you're here. And if you're a replay viewer, type replay. So you're live right now in the Art of Attracting High Ticket Clients group. It's a free group only for attracting high ticket clients on LinkedIn. I've got it on Facebook. And I am Miranda Love, the CEO and founder of Ninja Growth Strategies. And I actually run a business coach accelerator that is for business coaches who are 25K and 30-day ready. So if you have, I'm going to tell my story here about the first 50K per month. But I run a 25K per month accelerator program where I help business coaches, experts, consultants, people launch or grow or scale or take their expert coaching business online and get out there and in a boot camp type of style using my proven system. I've got 4 phases that I take you through, my proven system that helps experts start making that, using the exact system I used to launch mine, start making that initial 25K per month is my goal. And now some coaches come in there and their goal is 15K per month. Some come in there and their goal is 100K per month. And we've had coaches in the very first month using our system, depending on where they came in, using our system now for getting leads and sales on clients that was even past me, that did 60K in their first month from LinkedIn alone, and 100K with some other things that they had going on as well, while they were in our boot camp with my help. That's what they were getting their businesses to in the first month and second month. So that's wonderful. I love how I'm able to pay my gifts forward and have people even pass me up. But, here I am over here still using my same LinkedIn funnel that has been working for me. So I've been an entrepreneur for 10 years. And so I use these strategies. And now I decided to work over 2 years ago. Specifically, I was asked to coach. People wanted to know after I'd started and sold 2 businesses, had been monetizing my LinkedIn to do that. How did I do it so fast? How did I grow so quickly? So that's how I got into the business of coaching. I did not take a coaching certification. I did not, do anything like that. I actually launched my international coaching business to 25,000 per month in the first 8 weeks with a group program, an online group mastermind. It's the same one that I'm running today. Yeah, I called it one thing then, and I'm calling it something else now. It's the Business Coach Accelerator, 25K and 30 days boot camp. That actually, I wanted to tell you about that. So that's what I did consistently the first year, 25K per month, 25K per month, 25K per month with me by myself doing my sales calls. I didn't even have a team or anything like that. The second year, I did, it was in January of the second year, I started working with sales teams. And so I had a sales guy at first. I tried first outsource my sales to a company out in England, and that didn't work. But what I did is I started doubling down on getting really good at what I was good at. So I started working with another coach as well for sales. Because I know I'm great at getting calls booked and leads and everything like that and serving my clients, but I was great at having these conversations, but some of them weren't turning into conversions. And so I had to, number one, start working with a new mentor and help me dial in the sales process, because I was, just letting too many people not take action, and whenever this was the right opportunity for them. And so that was the number one change that I made. Number two change is I did start working to get up to the 50K per month in my second year. So what I did was I also started working with I had a sales guy, and he got me to 30 to 40. He was enrolling, he got me to 30 to 40,000 a month with taking my calls, where I was at 25K taking my own calls. And then I did start working with Trained, Double Down and Trained. We had two, at that time, we had 2 different people taking our calls, or 3. And the first month that I hit the 50K, it was actually 49,000. It was 49,000, not right at 50K, but the first month that I'm talking about here. But what I did as well, so number 1, I dabbled down on my sales myself and got good at it, worked with a mentor. Number 2, I actually started working with another mentor, and she was helping me grow my sales team, and doing that and becoming a sales mentor. So that was what I did to get us up to the 50K per month. And then I doubled down with reading my mission and my affirmation. So this is actually one of the worksheets that we do with our clients in the very first week of our clarity phase in the Business Coach Accelerator that I have going on. And it's 25K and 30-day boot camp. And so this is our mission statement that we help our clients get going on. And I had gotten out of the habit of reading it myself. And so I really doubled down this month that I had my first 50K month. I doubled down and really started reading it and getting myself pumped up about the work that I'm doing, because I really just had to recommit. So number 3 is recommit. These were some of the changes that I had made. So now we're doing consistently 50K per month here at Ninja Growth Strategies, which is awesome. And really, it's just me and a couple of people taking my calls. Welcome, Richard. Welcome. And then I have, and then we're also doing Facebook ads. We're on track for 100K this month. Woohoo! So the changes that we're making is implementing that in addition to what we're doing. But honestly, I've been messing around with those Facebook ads now for 6 months, and even outsourced them. And I'm working with a coach myself for them, and tried to do them myself, and paid an expert with it, and I'm still haven't gotten anywhere except for in the negative with Facebook ads. So that's why we're not at 100K yet. It's still trying that, but consistently from LinkedIn we do 50K per month, and that's just with the one LinkedIn funnel. With 0 ad spend as well in our international coaching business, and our clients will do 10, 15, 25,000 or even more, as I was sharing earlier, depending on where they are and what they've got going on. Yeah, Facebook ads are tough. I'm telling you, they are. I get mine because I sell how to make money, and so I get mine not approved for the they think that I'm an MLM or work from home. Welcome. And so I've spent in the last 6 months, my own time and, $2,000 a month in coaching that I'm taking on it. And then I outsourced it 1 month. So it was so it was like $5,000 just in trying to get it going, plus an ad spend. So I've spent like, 10 grand or more on it in the last 6 months, plus that coaching that I'm in for my overall mentorship and mastermind group that I'm in, but they do Facebook ads. And I have not gotten anything converting yet. Right now, I did finally get an ad approved this week that it's doing, it's got me 2 clicks on my webinar for $20. And now it's probably 3 clicks for $30 or something like that. No, not even any opt-ins for my webinar using it. But that's why I love LinkedIn, is that I don't have to worry about getting anything approved. I'm able to send them to whatever piece of content that I want to send them to, and LinkedIn just rolls with it. And I don't even have to do any advertising. And you're able to do the targeting on there. So good. It's actually do a video that is. It's a case study video that I did with one of our clients who, between Facebook ads or LinkedIn for coaches, let me see if I can post this in the comments for you. LinkedIn for coaches. We'll see if it comes up, but I'll post it here in the comments for you so you can check out that video. Or just you can Google it. It's like LinkedIn or Facebook for coaches, but don't do that. You can find it Facebook. I can find it for you, and let me put it right here. So here it is. I have it on a sheet, but we can just share it. Getting these things to happen. There we go. Look at us. Now that I got my nails trimmed, I'm able to do some things. So there's the video that I did with one of our clients as well. This was, and she's actually one that she does make $100,000 a month. She's one of those that did really good whenever she jumped in. You're welcome. Whenever she jumped into using our LinkedIn strategies. So these are so watch that video, because we actually share how we were able to help Jess go from zero. She was doing 1 or 2 clients a month on LinkedIn to doing 10 to 20. She made in her first couple of weeks of working with me, she made like 60 grand just from LinkedIn, where she had been, spending a lot of money on Facebook ads and everything like that. So that's a great video. So check that one out. And if you haven't yet watched, this is why I popped on here, is my Business Coach Accelerator is open. So exciting. But my most popular web class that I've used to really help transform over thousands of business coaches and really help them get their businesses set up for success with this web class is my most popular one, and I've got it for free right now, but it's retiring it in May. So it is over. It's going to be done with. I'm doing a new one, but this one has helped so many people. So if you haven't yet watched it, go to Business Coach Accelerator right now and check it out. It's about 45 minutes, and I really do break down the new model of coaching, of how you should be structuring your coaching business and the freedom business model. It should say webinar if I typed it in right, businesscoachaccelerator.com. But check that out. It's a free web class. It's getting ready to expire. It's called 5 shortcuts to making multiple 6 figures on LinkedIn this year as a business coach. So if you're in a 9-to-5 job right now, or you're working as a done-for-you service provider or consultant, and you're wanting to launch a revenue stream where you're actually sharing your expertise and not that done-for-you way, and that still leverages your time. I mean, I've been doing this, making 25 to 50K a month consistently now, for working 5 to 10 hours. Calls booked. You have a coaching business, then looks like the video has been paused for some reason. Then I want for you to go to businesscoachaccelerator.com/apply and check that out. Check out that free web class. I'll switch it up here. We'll see if this helps anything. And I was getting ready to, hello. I don't know why that one doesn't work. It does.